KDP Income Report June 2021. Welcome guys, I am Subha Malik, and in this video I will be sharing with you my KDP earnings for the month of June 2021. So in this video we will be looking at the total units sold, total royalties earned, total ad spend, and total subscription costs, and then net income as usual we do in our every KDP income report. So before doing this, if you are new to my channel, then do subscribe and also hit the bell notification icon so that you don't miss any new video from me. So without further ado, let's get started. So I am here in the KDP report section, that is the sales dashboard, and you can see here this is the current month June. This is the last 30 days, June 2 to July 2. Let's start it out by June, month of June 1st to June 30th, and apply. So now we will be looking at the units sold per day. June 1st started with 10 units, 13 on June 2nd, 8 units, 5 again, 2. This is the lowest day, I think. 2 units on June 5, 9 units, 8, 24. This is the best day for the June, and that was June 8. 7 units, 4 units, 7, 8, 6, 12, 9, 13 units on June 16, 6, 12, and that's another very good day, June 19, 16 units, 8, 13, 10, 10 again, 12, 11, and 6, 8, 6 units, 9 units, and on the 30th June, that is the last day of June, I sold 14 units of paperback books. So let's have a look at the overall units sold. So overall in the month of June we have sold 288 units of paperback books, and this is the, you can see here, June 1st to June 30th 2021, and you can also see this bar chart as well, and you can see I have 1099 books live. Not all live, around 200 books have been unpublished. So I have around 850 books or 800 books live. So now let's see our income. So you can see here I have made $562.17 during the month of June, and you can see here the bar below, and that has changed a bit since today, I think. So this is our total royalties for the month of June 2021 for KDP books, low and no content books. So this is not all profit. I have also spent on ads, and we will be also looking at the ad cost. Firstly, just input our income 562.17, and the subscription cost is always 9. Now let's input our ad costs. So this is first the US marketplace. I spent $87.56, and I generated a sales of $240 with an A cost of 36.46. That is a bit high. My break-even point is almost 30 or 29, but I kept running ads as I wanted to rank my books again in these search results. So as I wanted to rank my books in the search results. So this is our ad spend for the US marketplace. Just copy it, and so 87.56. Okay, this is 10. Okay, so 87.56 at the Amazon US marketplace. This is the Amazon UK marketplace, £62.12. So that counts for $85.49, $85.49. And next comes our Amazon Canada marketplace, and there I spent $20.94 Canadian dollars, which generated sales of $124.52 with an ACOS of 16.82%, and I am quite happy with that. Canada marketplace is doing very well for me in terms of ads, and I have few books that are selling very well. So I kept running ads, but spent very low amount here, $20.94 Canadian dollars. That accounts for 16.84 US dollars. 16.84 USD. So all these resulted into an ad spent of and a total spent of $198.89, almost $200. My income was $562, and my net income become $363.28. So that is a low. Sales are getting a bit down since April, and I am seeing a decline in sales. So that is part of game. Sales always fluctuate for KDP and every business. Nothing to worry about. So let's have a look at the May income, and let's compare our results with June. So that was the May. During May I made $693.66, and ad spend and subscription spent was $228, and my net income was $465. As compared to June, I am a bit less, almost $100 less here at paperback book sales, and that is all because due to low sales both in US and UK marketplace and Canada as well. So let's hope that sales pick up again during July and August. That is the school period, you can say, and people tend to buy composition notebooks and teacher planners and things like that. So you can create study materials or activity books for children, and you can make good sales during this period. As you can also make books around planners for 2022, and I am planning to make publish planners for 2022 during the month of July, and also I am focusing on composition notebooks and children's stuff. So I have been working on kids activity books, and I am creating kids activity books during the month of June, and also I need to focus on the no content books as well, like composition notebooks, like story journals for kids. So there are many options. You can also create puzzle books and make money from KDP. So I am focusing on kids activity books and things like that. So that is our income for the month of June, $562.17, and net income is $363. So that is all from me today. Thanks for watching, and if you are new to my channel, then do subscribe and also hit the bell notification icon so that you don't miss any video from me. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video.